Hey guys, I'm going to do an update on my deploy. Here is my painted deploy, which is kind of not fully painted because, here guys, as you can see it's not fully painted. So, but that's okay because this part looks epic. And here's my other deploy, my Sonic deploy. This one is kind of like the Clear series. It's a good gun because it could be like this, and then you got flashlight. So yeah. So it's pretty, like, it's very good. It's very good, guys. So yeah. Even on flashlight mode. So that's good. So you mean like this? Boom. So this gun is epic, so yeah. Bye!